AirDrop. There is plenty of things to love about it. It's a big reason why everybody loves Apple's ecosystem, including me. It's a seamless transfer method using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi between Apple devices, including Macs. So if you wanted it, it's officially here in Android. Well, it took a lot of time for Google to do it. Well, Android users used to use Shared and Zender named Chinese apps that presumably steals data. Some months back, Google introduced easy file sharing via Google's own file app. But not every Android is shipped with it and it's kinda hidden. So Google will introduce Nearby Share officially. But you can get it right now. It works flawlessly. It works exactly like AirDrop and it's native. It will work on any Android running Android 6 or higher. What you need to do is click the link in my description and it will launch the Google Play Store. Then scroll down a bit and click join the beta. That's it. After that, go ahead and do a restart of your phone. Don't worry, it's nothing scary. You are doing everything via Play Store. Then after some times, minutes or some hours or maybe instantly, it will be there. Before moving on to how to use it, please subscribe this channel and like this video. I appreciate that. Now open the notification panel and then click the edit button and scroll down and you will find the nearby toggle. So then hold and drag it to your preferred position in notification toggle hub and then click the done. Now let me give you a demo. Here is my another Android running Android 9. But before everything, make sure you do this. Tap and hold the Nearby Share toggle and click on the option below the device visibility and change it to Wi-Fi from data. So it will be faster and won't consume any data. Now let me show you how to do it. Let's say I want to share this file to my other phone. On the other phone, I just turn on the Nearby Sharing and it's showing it's visible. And on this phone, click on the share button and then search for the Nearby Share. Now it will start looking for my other device and then you can see the accept option on the other phone. Boom, it's done. It's simple as that. You don't need to have another app or something like that. This feature will roll out to every Android phone soon, but if you don't want to wait, you can do it right now. So how fast it is? So let's share a 196 MB file and it took a 3 minutes 22 seconds of time, but it's way too convenient and the speed it gave around 2 megabytes per second, where a third-party app like GeoSwitch does it exactly in 1 minute and connecting it isn't at all easy, so it's pretty buggy experience. But when I used Google's FileGo, it is way better experience and it did it in 30 seconds only. That's impressive. So in conclusion, I love this Nearby Share option. It's so convenient and every compatible Google certified Android will have this feature automatically in coming months, but hopefully they will make the speed as good as the Files app. So yeah, you wanted it, you get it. If you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.